Hello everyone and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. Today is day 3 of learning how to sign the original hymn, Amazing Grace. So today we're going to be signing 2 verses that aren't included in our song or at the end of the week, but I wanted to teach them to you in case you're singing with a choir or singing a different version, signing a different version, and you need this help. So, yea, when this flesh and heart shall fail. So when this flesh, so your body, when this flesh and heart then shall fail is dead. So for that you have one palm up, one palm down, over. Okay, shall fail. And then mortal life shall cease, and life, L's coming to your stomach and up to your ribs, and life shall cease. I shall possess. I have within the veil, so in the mystery. Okay, we're not actually talking about a wedding veil here. We're talking about something that's kind of unknown that we're not really sure about. So in the mystery, within the veil, a life, L's coming into your stomach and then up to your ribs, a life of joy. Some people do joy like this. That's also fine. Or you'll see joy like this probably more commonly. Joy and then peace, your 2 hands together and then turn them and then come out. Peace. Let's try that from the top. When this flesh and heart shall fail and mortal life shall cease, I shall possess within the veil a life of joy and peace. One more time, okay? So when this flesh and heart shall fail and mortal life shall cease, stop, okay? I shall possess, I have within the veil, within the mystery, a life of joy and peace. Okay, so that's the first missing verse. And then the next one was actually one that was included in Amazing Grace. My chains are gone. Sorry, I had a little hiccup there. And interesting, when I was reading about Amazing Grace this morning, this was actually apparently not in the original Amazing Grace. It was later added by another artist who wrote this really beautiful one. The earth shall soon dissolve like snow. So the earth, making a round ball on your wrist, your non-dominant wrist, the earth shall soon, will, okay, in the future, dissolve. So it's like something you have and then it goes into nothing. Dissolve like that Y hand going back and forth, like then snow falls. Okay, like snow. The sun forbear to shine. So sun goes around and then shines. Okay, so you have your fingers together, make a circle, then shine it. Okay, the sun stops. Okay, the sun stops. And then shiny, you can either do shine like this, or you can again do shine like that. Okay, but this is another important but, right? But God, a B down the middle of your face, but God who called me here below, so you can do here for this, will be forever mine. Will be, that's a B coming out from your chin, forever, around, and then pushing it out. Push out that Y, forever mine. Okay, let's try that from the top of that verse. The earth shall soon dissolve like snow, the sun forbear to shine, but God who called me here below will be forever mine. Let's try putting those 2 together, okay? So when this flesh and heart shall fail, and mortal life shall cease, I shall possess within the veil a life of joy and peace. And the earth shall soon dissolve like snow. The sun forbear to shine or shine. But God, who called me here below, will be forever mine. And there you go. Now you've learned every single bit of Amazing Grace, the original version. In tomorrow's video, we're going to walk through just the 5 verses that are in the song that we're signing at the end of the week. Wherever you are, that you are healthy and that you are well. Bye. If you want even more than what these videos have, I suggest you head on over to Facebook. We talk a little more about day-to-day life there. I'd love to connect with you. I hope wherever you are, that you are healthy and that you are well, and that I'll see you soon. Bye.